Hello, Hudson Middle School students. My name is Mrs. Burgay, and I just wanted to hop on here to explain how the distance learning is going to go. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. This video is going to stay in your Google Classroom, so you can rewatch this at any time or reach out to any of your Phi-Ed teachers. So, how it's going to work for distance learning is what we would like you to do is find your Google Classroom on your Chromebooks. What you're going to do is you're going to click into your Google Classroom. I'm using my first hour just as an example. Once you get there, if you click over to your classwork tab, it is going to have different assignments. What we would like you to do is open up that week 1 daily log. Once you click on that, it's going to open up to a new document. That document is your document. It's where you are going to record your workouts for the week. Okay, so mine's loading a little bit slow, but that's all right. It'll load here. So it just gives you a quick little welcome. Welcome to that distance learning for Phi-Ed. Make sure you're writing your first and last name up here. You're highlighting what hour you are in. And then also make sure you highlight who you have as a teacher. All right, so if you were in my class, click over here and you'd highlight me. Directions, we're just again reminding you that this is a non-synchronous class because of the lack of us being able to get you equipment, all right? If you have equipment at home, that's awesome. Go ahead and use it. But we would like you to just stay active at home. We want you to get some physical activity in during Phi-Ed class. So use what you have or do some body weight exercises. Those are absolutely awesome as well. Grading, to gain full credit, you must fill out your entire log and complete those journal prompts. Now, one thing that's in bold right here on your thing, on your sheet, is on the days you have physical education. So if you have only physical education on Tuesdays and Thursdays of that week, you only have to fill in Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, if you have it Monday, Wednesday, Friday for that week, you would have to fill out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if we look down at, here's week 1. This is the week that we are currently in. Day 1 starts on a Tuesday because on Monday we did have that wonderful day off, and I hope that was relaxing for all of you, but I hope you still got some physical activity in. So it says to use this physical activity log to track your progress and try to get about 60 minutes a day. Don't worry if you can't get 60 minutes a day. That does not mean your grade will go down. That's just what we are recommending and hoping that you can get. So whatever activities you do, we want you to log those here in this open space. All right, no matter if it's walking your dog, doing a workout. I think this week it's supposed to be a little bit rainy, so I know in our Phi-Ed classes that are attending school, I think we're going to be doing some yoga when we're there. We will send you some of those videos, or if you have like you blanked out on what to do, don't panic. If you scroll all the way down to your document every single week, there will be what's called the daily challenge, daily activity challenges. These are just optional ideas to try and complete. If you completely run out of ideas of what to do for Phi-Ed, go ahead and take a look at those different ideas or those different challenges. We will keep adding to that as the year goes on. But all you're going to do is you are going to record in your log whichever days you have Phi-Ed. Now, if you have it on Tuesday or Thursday of this week, you do not journal. Every Tuesday and Thursday, there will not be any journals. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you will journal, okay? So depending on what which day your class falls on will depend on if you're journaling or not for that day. We do ask that you fill out your journal responses in the open text box to the right of your question. Okay, and there's to end on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, we do have a breathing exercise or a mindfulness activity. If you have any questions, go ahead, feel free to email your teachers, and we hope you have a wonderful an exciting distance learning experience. Again, reach out if if you have any questions. Have fun with it. We'll see ya.